Did you know teams using a good CRM close 29% more deals on average? And after evaluating dozens of CRMs across industries, we have shortlisted these 5 platforms. Quick heads up, whichever one grabs you, you'll find a special discount link waiting for you in the description. Alright, let's count them down from number 5. At number 5 is Monday.com. You might know Monday.com as a vibrant project management tool, but its CRM version brings the same vibe with features to manage and close deals faster. First up, the dashboards. Everything's drag and drop, hyper visual, and totally moldable to how your crew likes to work. If cookie cutter layouts make your team itch, I believe this is a fresh of breath air. And I'm not the only one who thinks so. TechRadar's 2025 review calls Monday a user-friendly platform that excels in customization, usability, and integrations. Email? Seamless. Hook up the inbox you already love, fire off messages, and get a ping the moment a prospect opens or replies. You can even blast out personalized bulk emails. No extra marketing app, no extra bill. Capturing leads is painless too. Monday copies prospects straight from your site, scores them against the rules you set, and slots them right into the pipeline for nurturing. But the real magic, I'd say, is automation. Auto-assign new leads, shift cards as stages change, fire follow-ups, even generate reports while you sleep. Set it once, forget it, and let Monday do the grunt work. Need more? Flip views from Kanban to timeline to calendar to Gantt without losing context. Handy when ops, marketing, and leadership each want data in their own language. Toss in 200 plus native integrations, Slack, Zoom, Stripe, Jira, the gang's all here, and you've got a hub that plays nicely with the rest of your stack. Built-in analytics turn raw deal values into snappy charts, no spreadsheets, no manual exports, and 24/7 support has your back if things go sideways. As for pricing, I'd recommend Monday's Pro plan, about $33 per seat with a 3-seat minimum. That entry fee can feel steep if you're a one-person shop, but for teams of 3 or more, the extra automations and deep reporting pay for themselves fast. So if you want to go for it, tap the link in the description for a quick discount. At number 4 is HubSpot CRM. If Monday feels like a tidy workbench, HubSpot is the full workshop. CRM, marketing, sales, and service all living under one roof. The interface stays smooth and uncluttered. One click pulls up a contact card, no maze of submenus. Drag a deal from demo booked to negotiation, and the probability updates instantly, as easy as shuffling icons on a phone. Every email, chat, and site visit attaches to that single record, giving sales, marketing, and support one shared timeline. HubSpot also vacuums data from forms and inboxes, scrubs duplicates, and launches workflows on its own. New lead, assigned. Hot prospect revisits pricing, the right rep gets an alert. Once that data's tidy and connected, HubSpot's built-in marketing toolkit takes over. Spin up landing pages, drop-in forms, and run full funnel email sequences without a separate ESP. Visual A/B tests and a drag and drop builder make tweaks quick. Now, numbers matter, and HubSpot keeps them front and center. Live dashboards track deal velocity, source to close rates, and campaign ROI. Flip on predictive lead scoring, and the system spotlights the prospects most likely to convert. Also, the ecosystem is huge. More than 1,600 native integrations with tools like Slack, Spotify, Zoom, and QuickBooks, so data flows both ways in minutes. Plus, you can add Service Hub when customer support grows. Ticketing, shared inboxes, and chatbots all tie back to the same contact record. When it comes to pricing, HubSpot starts you off with a genuinely useful free plan. Great for seeing how everything fits together. I recommend most teams graduate to starter at about $20 per user per month. It unlocks richer email marketing, simple automation, and extra reporting without bruising the budget. In my opinion, HubSpot suits small and mid-sized companies that want top-tier marketing, automation baked into their CRM, and are comfortable with expenses that scale alongside ambition. If this matches your vibe, tap the link in the description for a special discount. Now, at number 3 is Zoho CRM. Zoho has a knack for packing premium features into wallet-friendly plans, and this platform proves it. It covers all the essentials: drag-and-drop pipelines, tidy contact lists, task tracking. But what really stands out is how deeply you can bend the workspace to your role. I'll be honest, the interface isn't as instantly intuitive as Monday or HubSpot, and the default colors feel a bit overwhelmed. Still, I believe the trade-off is worth it for the sheer flexibility. A sales rep can tune the dashboard to pipeline velocity and call tasks, while a multitasker can save separate views and hop between them in one click. That flexibility shows again in Zoho's 360-degree customer panel. One screen shows demographics, engagement stats, purchase history, and preferred contact times. Everything short of a coffee order, so each conversation starts informed. Automation keeps pace with the heavyweights too. Lead assignment, nurture emails, follow-up tasks, set a trigger, and records update themselves when contacts act. Less typing, more selling. Then there's Zia, the AI sidekick that forecasts revenue, ranks leads, and alerts you when deals stall. PCMag calls Zoho a feature-rich CRM that delivers outstanding value. Reporting matches the hype. Built-in analytics turn Zia's insights into charts and heat maps you can drop straight into slide decks. No spreadsheet acrobatics. Oh, and integrations. Zoho hooks into 1,000 plus apps right out of the box: Slack, Google Workspace, MailChimp, WhatsApp, and if anything's missing, Zapier or Zoho Flow can bridge the gap. Pricing is Zoho's secret weapon. You can get started on the free plan for up to 3 users, but my pick is the enterprise tier, about $50 per user each month. That unlocks Zia, journey automation, and full multi-channel support. Still less than some rivals charge for their starter plans. For most growing teams, the ROI here is hard to beat. Zoho is ideal for startups, freelancers, and budget-conscious small businesses that still want AI, deep customization, and enterprise-grade reporting without the enterprise price tag. Want to check it out? Tap the link in that description to grab the best deal. At number 2 comes the billion-dollar giant Salesforce CRM, and well, it really is the OG of customer relationship management. Around since 1999, and still topping review charts year after year, it has earned its hype. What keeps people hooked? 2 things: depth and customization. I like how almost every pixel can bend to your process. Relabel stages, add bespoke fields, build new objects, rearrange page layouts. If your business has quirks, and whose doesn't, Salesforce can absorb them. And that same flexibility carries into automation. Flow Builder lets you string multi-step routines that fire emails, update records, or spin up tasks the moment a condition hits. Need to chase expiring contracts? Set a 90-day reminder and forget it. Want HR pinged the instant a deal closes? One flow, done. Oh, here's the catch. That power brings complexity. You'll invest time learning the platform, or budget for an admin. Sometimes both. For enterprises, that's expected. For smaller shops, it can feel like an overkill. On the upside, contact management is world-class. Every email, call, social touch, or chat piles into one timeline, so sales, service, and marketing share a 360-degree customer view. Then there's Einstein, the built-in AI. I believe it's one of Salesforce's sleeper features. It ranks leads, predicts close rates, surfaces next best actions, and even spots sentiment in emails. Basically, a data science squad living inside your CRM. Support is solid too, 24/7 phone, chat, and a massive community forum. App Exchange adds thousands of one-click integrations, DocuSign, Slack, niche industry connectors, saving months of development. Mobile app? Yep, reps can tweak deals, snap business cards, and log calls while dashing between meetings. Meanwhile, CRM Analytics turns raw numbers into interactive dashboards that execs can slice and dice without ever leaving the platform. Integrations, security, analytics, check. But let's talk about money. Salesforce is pricey. and add-ons pile up fast, I recommend the Enterprise plan. It's around $165 per user and unlocks advanced forecasting, opportunity scoring, and deep API access. Yeah, it stings a bit, but you're getting one of the most customizable CRMs on the planet. So if you're a lean startup, Salesforce is probably overkill. But for fast-growing, multi-department companies that need bulletproof security, deep reporting, and limitless customization, Salesforce is tough to beat. Want to go for it? Tap the link in the description to catch any promo pricing before it disappears. And now, it's time for our number one, which is none other than Pipedrive. Well, Pipedrive is unapologetically sales first, and that focus shows as soon as you open its clean, card-based interface. One glance and you can track every deal from cold prospect to closed one without digging through sidebars. The pipeline view is clean and practical. Drag a deal to the next stage, adjust its win chances, and watch the forecast refresh in real time. Custom fields and stages mean you can mirror any sales playbook. From there, Pipedrive's automation picks up the slack. It can auto-send intro emails, send follow-up tasks, or move deals the moment a prospect clicks a proposal. Smart contact data is another standout. Type an email address, and Pipedrive searches the web for public info, LinkedIn title, company size, social profiles, and fills in the record for you. No more manual digging. Reporting is just as sharp. Custom dashboards turn raw pipeline data into visuals a time-pressed VP can scan in seconds. Email lives inside Pipedrive too. Send, receive, schedule, and track opens without tab surfing. Need fresh leads? The optional Lead Booster add-on bundles live chat, chatbots, web forms, and Prospector, a database of about 400 million contacts you can filter by industry, role, or region. Also, support is solid with 24/7 chat, email, and phone at higher tiers. Integrations, more than 300 native connectors, plus Zapier for the rest. Hook into calendars, accounting suites, and proposal tools like PandaDoc. And the mobile app pulls its weight too. Log a call with one tap, drop a voice note, and have offline edits sync the moment you're back online. A couple of caveats though. There's no built-in ticketing desk, and marketing automation is basic next to HubSpot, so you might bolt those on. Still, for pure sales execution, this mix of speed, insight, and price is hard to beat. So what does all that power cost? Pipedrive offers 5 tiers, but the professional plan, about $64 per user per month, hits the sweet spot. It unlocks the AI assistant, advanced reporting, and built-in e-signatures, giving mid-sized teams serious muscle without the sticker shock you'd face in Salesforce or HubSpot. So, if you run a small or mid-sized business that's all about closing deals, not juggling a dozen side modules, Pipedrive nails the balance of simplicity, power, and price. And that, friends, wraps our countdown. Now, each CRM has its own flavor, but for me, Pipedrive comes out on top for sheer simplicity and the sweet spot between price and power. Drop your pick in the comments below. We read them all. Ready to try one? Every tool we covered has a special deal waiting for you in the description, so grab yours before it's gone. Thanks for hanging out, hit subscribe for more straightforward software guides, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep selling smart.